So guys, today I tried to purchase the Redmi Note 5 Pro and Redmi Note 5 in the flash sale, but as you all know, these sales last for some milliseconds and I couldn't get my hands on any of these phones. I also posted a tweet to Xiaomi regarding this matter and I am completely sure they will read that tweet and will revert back to me. But apart from that, there's a good news for you all. Yeah guys, the sponsor of this video, NK Gallery, arranged a Redmi Note 5 for me. Now let's unbox this phone and you do watch the full video because you all know what's coming for you. Hey guys, this is Piyush from Tech Telepathy and today I am going to unbox the Redmi Note 5. So let's get started. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. The phone in this video is sponsored by NK Gallery. Check description for more information. So guys, after a lots of efforts, I am finally having the Redmi Note 5 with me. This phone is the successor of Redmi Note 4 and is the most anticipated budget phone of 2018. But is this phone the deserving successor of Redmi Note 4? Let's check it out. Now guys, I am going to unbox the phone. Now we open the box of the phone. Firstly, we are having some paperwork and there's a transparent cover for the phone also. Wow, that cover's really cool guys. Now we move forward and see the phone. Oh my, it's a golden color Redmi Note 5. As you can see, it's a very pretty and a decent budget smartphone. It's a typical 2018 looking phone having 5.99 inch 18:9 display. Wow, what a time to be alive, man. The companies are giving such bezel-less beautiful displays in the budget phones also. Now I will see the other contents in the box before checking out the phone. On looking in the box, we are having a micro USB cable, a SIM card ejector and a charging adapter which is having a rating of 2 ampere and 5 volts. Now we keep all these things aside and let's move towards the phone. But before setting up the phone, I will give you the physical overview of this phone. On the top side, it is having a headphone jack, which is the endangered hardware in 2018, followed by a secondary noise cancellation microphone and an IR blaster. On the right side, it is having a volume rocker, a power button, and on the bottom, it is having a micro USB charging port and 2 vents. Now, I'll set up the phone. It's showing the typical MI branding with the Android logo. In the meantime, the phone boots up and I set up the phone. Let's take a quick look at the specs. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 625 processor with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. For the camera department, it is having a 12 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. So the phone setup has been complete. Now if we look at the phone, it's having some typical Xiaomi apps and some Google apps. Now if we go to About Phone, it will show us it's having MIUI 9 with Android Nougat. There is still Android Nougat in this device and I think it will get Oreo in a short amount of time. This is a 3GB RAM variant and 32GB storage, and out of 32GB we are getting 24.05GB available storage, which is actually a nice thing. It is also having MI remote for IR blaster, which can be used as a universal remote. Looking at the interface, it's a typical MIUI interface which you have already experienced if you are having a Xiaomi device. Although this is a 5.99-inch phone, but it feels pretty comfortable in one hand. This is a pretty handy smartphone. So guys, let's check the fingerprint scanner now. As you can see, it's a quite fast fingerprint scanner as expected from Xiaomi. So now comes the main question, is this phone really the upgrade you want? Well, according to me, yeah, it's a pretty decent phone with fair specs at a very premium price. The display is drastically improved, so as the camera. Xiaomi claims that their 12 megapixel camera is a very improved version than the previous generation Redmi Note 4's camera. So let's check some camera shots. These all shots are taken in low lighting indoor conditions in the night time. As you can see, the photos are pretty decent for a budget phone. The front camera also clicks good selfies, but today also I will say that this phone also can't click moonlight selfies. So guys, this is the new Redmi Note 5. This is a pretty decent phone with some fair specs, and I will recommend you to buy this at this budget. But if you can spend some more money, I will definitely recommend you to buy Redmi Note 5 Pro, as it's having a new processor and a better dual camera setup in the rear end and a 20 megapixel front camera, which is also an improved one. Again guys, I will post the unboxing video of Redmi Note 5 Pro as soon as I get the phone. So guys, that's it for now for Redmi Note 5. Now it's time for the announcement you all have been waited for. Yeah guys, this phone is up for giveaway. You have to like this video and put a random comment on the video. I will choose the comment via random comment picker. The winner will be announced after 15 days of the start of giveaway. But there's a catch. Yeah guys, there's a big catch in this giveaway. The giveaway will be live when the video will get a minimum of 500 comments. So there's no need to tell you now to comment on this video. I hope you like my video, and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting gadgets like this in the future. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. And for the giveaway announcements and results, you make sure you stay connected with all the social networks that I have provided in the description below. For the time being, goodbye and see you guys in the next one.